In this class, let us see the topic stack implementation of stack using stack class. Java provides a stack class that models the stack data structure. The stack class is part of Java's collections framework. Following is the hierarchy of stacks in Java. Java stack class hierarchy, iterable collection list, vector stack. So here collection is iterable collection list or interfaces, vector and stack are classes. So the stack class extends vector, which is resizable collection that grows its size for the accommodation of new elements and shrinks itself when the elements are deleted. The vector implements the list interface. There are five operations of stack the class which is being extended from vector. Push E, it is used to insert an element onto the top of the stack. Pop, it removes the element at the top of the stack and returns it as the value of the function. Peek, it is used to return the element at the top of the stack without removing it. Empty, it is a boolean function to test if the stack is empty or not. Search object OB, this function looks for the object OB and returns its position. Returns 1 if found, else return -1. Let us take a look at how these five operations work. Creation of stack. Import java.util.star class main public static void main string arguments stack small stack equal to new stack push operation pushing integers onto the stack. Stack.push 10, stack.push 20, pop operation, system.out.println, stack.pop, system.out.println, stack.pop. So the when it is executed, the output is 20, 10. Isempty operation while stack.isempty not system.out.println, stack.pop, the output is as long as the stack is not empty, uh, the output is 20, 10. Peek operation. System.out.println stack.peek and the output is 20. Vector class. Vector is similar to array list which represents a dynamic array. There are two differences between vector and array list. First, vector is synchronized while array list is not, and second, it contains many legacy methods that are not part of the collections framework. With the release of JDK 5, Vector also implements iterable. This means that Vector is fully compatible with collections and a vector can have its contents iterated by the for each loop. Vector class has following four constructors. Vector, this creates a default vector which has an initial size of 10. Vector initial size, this creates a vector whose initial capacity is specified by size. Vector initial size, uh, this creates a vector whose initial capacity is specified by size and whose increment is specified by INCR. The increment specifies the number of elements to allocate each time when a vector is resized for addition of objects. Vector collection C. This creates a vector that contains the elements of collection C. Example code for vector import java.util.star public class test public static void main string arguments vector integer ve new vector integer ve dot add 10 ve dot add 20 likewise up to 60 are added enumeration integer en equal to v dot elements while en dot has more elements system dot out dot en dot next element. So when the above program is executed, the output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. So another class is string tokenizer class. In Java, string tokenizer is used to break a string into tokens based on provided delimiter. Delimiter can be specified at the time of object creation or on a per token basis. Its object internally maintains a current position within the string to be tokenized. It is located into java.util package. In string tokenizer, objects are maintained internally and returns a token of a substring from the given string. String tokenizer is a deprecated class and available only for compatibility reasons. Following are the constructors in string tokenizer: string tokenizer, string str, tokenizer, string str, string delim, string tokenizer, string str, string delim, boolean return value. Example code for string tokenizer. Let us see. In this example, we are using string tokenizer to break string into tokens based on space. Import java.util.string tokenizer public class token demo 1 public class public static void main string arguments string tokenizer obj equal to new string tokenizer welcome to study tonight while object dot has more tokens system dot out dot println object dot next token. When the above program is executed, the output is welcome to study tonight. Let's take another example to understand tokenizer. Here we are breaking string into tokens based on the colon delimiter. Import java.util public class token demo to public static void main string arguments string a equal to colon string b equal to welcome colon to colon study tonight colon full stop colon how colon r colon u colon question mark string tokenizer c equal to new string tokenizer b comma a integer count 1 equal to c dot count tokens for integer I equal to 0 I less than count 1 I plus plus system dot out dot println token plus c dot next token string tokenizer d equal to null while c dot has more tokens system dot out dot println d dot next token. So when the above program is executed, the output is token 0 welcome, token 1 2, token 2 study tonight, token 3 full stop, token 4 how, token 5 r, token 6 u, token 7 question mark. The another class is date and calendar class. Here we will cover how to initialize date time object with the time set as the start of the day or midnight or at 00 am in Java. We will do using the legacy java.util.date and calendar class. We will also cover how this can be achieved using Java 8 java.time classes like instant, zone id, local date, etc. When we say set time to start of day or midnight, we mean if the date today is 3rd December 2019 and the time is any time of the day, when I run my code, I should get the date and time as 3rd September 2019, the time of the start of the current day. So using java.util.calendar class, this can be achieved using the calendar class. But at times when we set the time zone to our specific time zone, after creating a calendar class instance, the results tend to vary. But if your usage doesn't worry about time zone factor, you can use this approach. Let us see the code. Import java.util.star public class main, public static void main, string arguments, calendar day equal to calendar dot get instance, day dot set calendar dot millisecond comma 0, day dot set calendar dot second comma 0, day dot set calendar dot minute comma 0, day dot set calendar dot hour of day comma 0, system dot out dot day dot get time. Then another class is random class. Random class is used to generate pseudo random numbers in Java. An instance of this class is thread safe. The instance of this class is, however, cryptographically insecure. This class provides various method calls to generate different random data types such as float, double, integers. And constructors of this random class are random creates a new random number generator, random long seed creates a new random number generator using a single long seed, and its declaration is public class random extends object implements serializable. Let us see the Java program to demonstrate the random class. Import java.util.random public class test public static void main string arguments random random equal to new random system.out.println random dot next int 10 system.out.println random dot next boolean random dot next double random dot next float random dot next Gaussian byte square brackets bytes equal to new byte 10 random dot next bytes system dot out dot printf for integer I equal to 0 I less than bytes dot length I plus plus system dot out dot printf percentage d comma bytes of I system dot out dot printf system dot out dot println random dot next long system dot out dot println random dot next int lang seed equal to 95 random dot set seed equal set seed of seed random dot ints dot count system dot out dot println count of all the elements in double stream returned random dot doubles dot count system dot. So these are all put under uh, slash star star slash, so they will not be executed. So when the above program is executed, you will get the output 4 true 0.196.73, and this is the output you get when the above program is executed. And the another class is bitset class. It is a class defined in the java.util package. It creates an array of bits represented by boolean values, and it has constructors bitset bitset initial number of bits, bitset a no argument constructor to create an empty bitset object, bitset a one constructor with an integer argument to create an instance of the bitset. Its Java code is import java.util.star public class gfg public static void main string arguments constructor of bitset bitset bs1 equal to new bitset bitset bs2 equal to new bitset 6 bs1 dot set 0 bs1 dot set 1 bs1 dot set 2 bs1 dot set 4 bs2 dot set 4 bs2 dot set 6 bs2 dot set 5 bs2 dot set 1 bs2 dot set 2 bs2 dot set 3 system dot out dot println bs1 plus bs1 system dot out dot println bs2 plus bs2. So when the above program is executed, the output is bs1 0 1 2 4, bs2 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then another class is formatter class. The formatter is a built-in class in Java used for layout justification and alignment. Common formats for numeric, string, and date, time, data, and local specific output in Java programming. The formatter class is defined as final class inside the java.util package. The formatter class implements clonable and flushable interface. Let us see the example code. Import java.util.star public class formatter class example. Public static void main string arguments formatter equal to new formatter format the strings system.out.println formatter equal to new formatter format local France system.out.println formatter string name equal to Java formatter equal to new formatter format local us hello name system.out.println formatter equal to new formatter decimal floating point notation to 4 places plus formatter equal to new formatter format system.out.println value in 10 digits plus formatter. So when the above program is executed, you will get the outputs. How from the outputs we can check how this formatter class is useful in Java programming.